Be sure and scan the QR code for fast and easy checkout.
Hello everybody, my name is Oria, I'm from Home BioGas, and I'm here to talk to you about our new household appliance, Home BioGas 2.0. Let me walk you through it. It's really simple. You put your organic waste in the sink. Organic waste could be anything. It could be fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, and even bones. The food goes down here to our biodigester. It's filled with water and bacteria that break down our organic waste and emit methane gas that we can cook on. The gas goes up here to the gas tank where it's stored, awaiting for you to use it in the kitchen. You can get up to 3 hours of cooking each day. And one last thing, this awesome system also creates liquid fertilizer. So you can water your plants daily and get an amazing herb garden, the same as we have here. Okay, now let's go see how the stove works. Okay guys, now let's see how the biogas comes out the stove after it's been stored in our Home BioGas 2.0 system and it's been filtered. It goes through piping you get from us when you get the system, and it comes out our Home BioGas stove, creating a beautiful flame you can cook your food on. So simple to do, such a nice and warm flame. And that's how you cook on leftovers and get renewable energy in your own backyard using Home BioGas 2.0. Thanks guys, and until next time, bye.
For me, what's amazing is that I feel that maybe this is one of the first times that we took a product that was like a rural product, something from very rural areas that was cow manure or goat manure, and we actually took it and made it something that will be functional into cities in a modern house, in the modern environment. Today we have systems all over the world, and this is amazing because what's happening today is actually that we're all united, we're all one. Some people that have a big need, like in Africa or Asia, that don't cook on gas today and they cook on charcoal or wood, they're using the Home BioGas system. And in the same time, people that have gas and have the abilities to cook on gas or electricity, they decide, they believe and they decide to cook on Home BioGas to treat their waste and produce gas.
I have gas at least 60 minutes a day, winter, summer, spring and fall. Perfect. We have more than we need. That's perfect. And I would guess that our annual saving is going to be something like $200. Already 8 months, we did not need to buy any more commercial gas. Works on regular basis, easy to power up. That's all you need to do. I look at a biogas system not as something very simple, but I think it's something very sophisticated. It's very technological. I see a lot of opportunities for this system to grow. I'm very happy to be a part of this adventure.
Be sure and scan the QR code for fast and easy checkout.